हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू चैनल। आज अपन निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी के एनालिसिस देखने वाले हैं। सबसे पहले अपन निफ्टी चार्ट देखते हैं। टुडे निफ्टी opened higher above 24,200 level and hit a new record high of 24,236. But Nifty could not sustain this level due to profit taking. Profit booking in a bull market is a normal thing. Investors should not panic about it. Overall sentiment is still positive. Nifty wiped out all those gains and turned volatile for the rest of the session. The index fell approx 18 points from previous day and formed a bearish candle pattern on the daily charts. For formation of such a small candle on at a new high, not showing exciting movement. As of now, 44,200 is a crucial hurdle for the index. If Nifty breaks this level, then we can see the level of 24,500 with a immediate support of 24,000. Now let's see your Bank Nifty chart. Today, most of the major banking stocks like ICC Bank, Kotak Mahindra, SBI fell down the most. That's why Bank Nifty also opened above 2,800 level. But in the initial hour, it eroded all the gains and closed below 407 points, lower at 52,168 from previous day closing point. It formed a bearish engulfing kind of candlestick pattern on daily chart pattern. Bank Nifty witnessed a selling pressure from higher level and faced rejection two times, first at 2,500 and second at 52,400 levels. Index is right now a rise on sell or rise mode with next immediate support at 52,000 to 51,800 zone. If the index fell down to hold this level, it can witness further selling pressure towards the 51,400 to 51,300 levels.